Welcome back guys. In this quick tutorial I am going to show you two easy way enable or disable mobile data on your Android phone. So let's get started. First method, I am using settings page. So open the settings on your phone. Once you are in the settings, scroll down a little or use the search bar. Here you can type mobile data. Once you type their name, you can appear the option. Once you found them, tap to open it. After this page, look for the mobile data option. Right now this option is turned off by default. To enable it, simply tap on the toggle button and you can automatically turn on mobile data. If you decide to disable the mobile data on your phone, simply tap on the mobile data option again to turn it off. However, if you decide to another way to enable or disable mobile data on your phone quickly, don't panic. There are also available another method. Simply swipe the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Swipe again to open the quick panel page. Here you can see various options. Look for the mobile data option. For example, if you don't find the mobile data option here, don't panic. This time you can tap on pencil icon, then go to edit section or scroll down. Here tap on add a control. You can find the mobile button listed there. For example, I am added the power button this quick panel. So tap on hold the button, then swipe it and go to the quick menu bar and undrag the icon. After that, tap on done. Then swipe again to open the quick panel menu. This time you can find the mobile data button appear there. To turn it on, simply tap on the toggle button and automatically enable mobile data. To turn them off, simply tap on the mobile data button again and this time disable this button on your phone. And that's it, how you can easily easy way enable or disable mobile data on your Android phone. If you found this guide will help you, please consider to like this video. Also subscribe my new channel. Thanks for watching.